My name is Daniel Martins. I'm from Kansas City. I'm with 5 Star Bed Solutions, probably around 8 months. I used to be a restaurant manager. I worked for 12 years on different kind of restaurants. Not being able to have dinner with my family every night, that was taking a toll on us. So I decided just to make a change, to be able to control your own future, to be able to make your decisions and to have the possibility that to work as hard as you can and just grow. So what made me decide about 5 Star Bed Solutions, when I decided to change careers, somebody showed me the possibility maybe to own a franchise. I did go to my due diligence and look several franchises. And first, what impressed me was the leadership here. Chad and Brandon, they were really open, talk about all the numbers, talk about all the possibilities, talk about all the growth opportunities. What I enjoy about owning a business, first, you have control of your own life. Before working in restaurant business, Thanksgiving, Christmas sometimes, I had to work those days. So now I do have the control of doing that. I honestly, I don't feel like I'm working. I feel like I'm just meeting with different people and meeting with different problems on bathrooms. Every single bathroom give you some problems. What is fun about is always to find the solutions, and when it's done is always the reward that you feel when everything's done and beautifully done, and the customer is happy on the end and thankful and that's what drives me. Make sure the industry is something you're gonna like. Make sure the franchise will give you the support once you buy in. Make sure that the leadership will be committed to your success. I think that's the biggest advice I give to people. What most contribute for my success at 5 Star Bed Solution, first, it is the support the franchise gave to you. There was no one single phone call that I didn't get a response. The culture is always really good on the company, and then just work as hard as you can and just do the best and just, again, believe on the system. The final result is always a happy customer, always satisfied with everything that we've done, revealing to them. The final result is always super fun to see.